Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design a flyer on Adobe Express. So if you are new here, my channel, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. First of all, I'm going on Adobe Express. You need to log in here with your Gmail. This is an app for everything. So I already log in here. So if you scroll down, you can see here is lots of option: logo, Instagram, square post, flyer, presentation, Instagram story, video. So I select a flyer. So I want to design a flyer for dog missing. So here is lots of millions of free and paid element available. So I highly recommend you for first time use for free. Then if you are preference and really going to understand with this tool, then go to the paid tool. But first I'm recommend you for use for free. So you can see the missing dog. So I want to change this dog to another dog because this is pretty good but I want to charge another one dog. You can see here are paid. This is paid, this is paid, and this is paid, and this is a free. So I want to use this one. Okay, that's good. So if you want to change missing date and last seen and your phone number, WhatsApp, website address, you can add everything here. Then I want to change his name. So this is a method you can design a flyer on Adobe Express. So if you want to download this one, example purpose, I want to download this one, just go to this download button, then click on PNG, JPG and PDF. So I highly recommend for PNG. Then click on download. So now download already started. After few seconds it will be completed. So this is a method you can design a flyer on Adobe Express. It's 100% free of cost. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.